What's up? We are on mission used books because we do not have control over internet usage or availability ever. It is just a blessing to us, but we don't have to have it in case the power grid goes under attack because of like coding and those kind of soldiers now. So we are on the lookout for books that might help us because we can't rely on Google. We cannot Google how to grow this plant. We cannot Google, can I forage this green? We cannot Google, where is the store? So we're on the lookout for books that supplement that need. We're fulfilling that need for cheap, okay? We're not going into debt. A lot of us will be like, yes, get all the books, and you want to go and you get an Amazon and then, woo, $1,000. Used bookstores, okay? Some books are worth buying new authors, all that stuff. Some books are worth spending the money on because it's like a high quality. You can't really find this in the generic books, but generic books. There is nothing wrong with generic books. Get a gardening book. Which one? Just pick up a gardening book. It's going to have information on it. Not saying some are better than others because they are, like there's quality, but a lot of times these books are good books that you pick up from the secondhand store. So like I said, we're doing gardening books, so I found the Green Gardeners Club, and it's, you can make, because it's simple, significant actions to protect and preserve our planet. We can do that, save the planet, with gardening. I know that's like so corny, that's how I communicate. And we can be so much more self-reliant with gardening. And we can involve and like truly have justice for all if nobody's worried about food insecurity, because that's a huge problem right now. We have a huge problem in America where like one in however many kids goes to bed hungry or doesn't know when the next time they're eating. We gotta teach everybody how to garden. Let's do the food revolution. It's harmless, nobody gets hurt, and then the planet gets better. That's my platform. But anyways, we got this, you can make a difference. And simply watering early in the morning instead of the heat of the day, nationally we will save at least 700 billion gallons of water each year. By watering early in the morning instead of the heat of the day. Are you kidding me? Got this for like $1, okay? Used bookstores. What else do we get? I got wildflowers and grasses of Kansas. I don't live in Kansas, but I've seen a lot of these where I've lived. So I was like, okay, you know what? $1. Heck yeah, but if you can find, you want to find specific to your area. I live to the east of the Rockies, so like these are going to be repetitive across all those states. You know, there's going to be unique ones because we do live all in unique places, whatnot, but like there's repeats. Just because we all live to the east of the United States. I'm not going to pick up a book on what to forage in the Pacific Northwest for where I live. It wouldn't make sense. I'm not going to pick up a book what to forage in, I don't know where else. Over in any other continent. It wouldn't make sense. So we're going to find books that are specific to your area, foraging wise and all this stuff. Close enough on this one. It was worth the buck. All right. Oh, I got the gun trader's guide. Okay. I was all like, we need more rules on the guns. But at the same time, I'm really glad there are not very many rules on the guns because you got to protect yourselves. We do not go on the offensive. But I'll be danged if we ain't on the defensive for what matters, okay? And our family and their safety matters. Anyways, let's see what else we got. Oh my gosh. $3. Family medical care. It has so much information. Special concerns of women. Like, it's got just so much information. I have not read it all the way through. I'm not going to do that anytime soon. These kind of books are the kinds of books that you browse and you get to know a little bit, but you're not like burdened by the weight of I have to read the book from front to back. No. You find the information quickly. You put it on your shelf. When you know, oh, I need that information, that book's got it. And then you go read it. But in your free time, start getting to know your books. These are your friends. This is your Google when you need it, okay? Let's see what else. Bow Hunter's Guide to Accurate Shooting. This was kind of like, I maybe should put this back. But at the same time, I have a son that I think would be really skilled at shooting. He went to like a camp and they learned to shoot and like bow hunting. I think he'd be really good at it. So I was like, you know what? $2 now. See if he likes it. if he's interested, then we'll start looking for a bow for cheap, you know, for secondhand. The Organic Garden book for $1. Okay, like this is like, you don't have to go into debt over books. $1. $1. But it's got all sorts of stuff. It's got flowers. It's got information about $1. Just regular run-of-the-mill gardening books and all that stuff. I did get some more. My daughter picked out a book, so we got the bubble bubble. For these ones, I do like to just get a wipe. Like, I love board books for kids. For real, read to your kids are gonna like it. That way, in the event of no panic, no fear, everybody, the internet goes out and everybody's bored. They know how to read books. But I'm gonna take a Clorox wipe and just wipe it down a little bit. The Joy of Sex, a gourmet guide to lovemaking. Because team building exercises, like we have all these issues with divorces and pornography addictions and all this stuff, and we don't have the true intimacy that life actually is awesome with. The Joy of Sex, why not? And then baby signing for dummies, because babies are awesome people, and they are able to log on in communication a lot earlier than we expect because we want them to speak. But if you sign with them, they can communicate and it empowers them. And if you teach every little baby you know to sign, they can communicate and it empowers them. We invest in our children. We don't be predators against our children. We protect our vulnerable by empowering our vulnerable. And that is my book call. I super had a great time. We went to 2 stores and picked those up. And it was I got a bunch of other stuff too. But I spent less than $50 on books. And honestly, some of these books could be $50 one shot. So I'm very proud of these. Enjoy secondhand scouting for books. Okay, we're on project home library for cheap. I love y'all. We got this. Let's go.